What up, good people? Huge shout out to Cavalier Ford for allowing me to review the 2024 Ford Raptor. Brace yourself for the ultimate off-roading champion. Today we're introducing the 2024 Ford Raptor, wrapped in a striking avalanche finish, spanning 209 inches in length and standing 75 inches tall. This beast rides on a solid 145-inch wheelbase with a towering 9.8 ground clearance. Built to dominate any terrain, the Raptor is ready to redefine adventure. Under the hood, the Raptor is powered by a ferocious 3.5-liter high-output V6 engine, delivering an impressive 450 horses for the torque 510 at 3,000 RPMs. This beast launched from 0 to 60 in just 5.2 seconds with a top speed of 120 miles per hour and a fuel efficiency rating 18 on the highway and 14 in the city. This Raptor is built for both raw power and performance. The Ford Raptor is a high-performance off-roading pickup truck designed for extreme terrain. Its wide, muscular stance, flared fenders, and raised ride height that optimize stability and ground clearance. The signature Ford grille is larger and more aggressive on the Ford Raptor, often featuring a unique design. This has an MSRP of $80,000. This particular model have remote start. Key fob in my pocket, the door unlocked. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. You have welcome animations on the dash. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your RPMs, on the right you have your MPH, in the middle you have a little Raptor. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your trip, my view, heads up display, Raptor info, and much more. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting, volume control with your voice command. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your menu button with your active exhaust alongside your plus and minus paddle shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. The buttons right here are your four-wheel high and low alongside your drive mode. The buttons right here are your auto start feature with your camera view alongside your hazard light with your traction control alongside your hill assist. Right here we're looking at a 12-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest sync. Looking down from the radio, you have your traditional radio shortcuts. You have your dual climate control alongside your heated and cool seats with your heated steering wheel. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a 10-speed automatic transmission. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. The center console turned into a workbench in case you're on the go working in the truck. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control. You have 2 glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. You have your air vent with your 12-volt outlet and your heated seats. You have a 120-volt outlet with a USB outlet. You have your cup holder area. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the bed of the truck. This particular model is a 5-foot standard bed. If you slightly nudge the tailgate up, the tailgate will go up by itself. Once again, huge shout out to Cavalier Ford for allowing me to view the 2024 Ford Raptor. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.